Are we gonna need?
At least 4.
4. That's number 3, I think. Well, we gotta remember to pick these wires up. That's dangerous for a lawnmower, you know?
Yeah.
I think that's good, ain't it, for that?
So tell us, Smock Ass, what the plan is here.
Alright. I want to show that. Right.
This is the mobile coop he's been
Yeah,
working on.
And we're getting wired tomorrow, right?
Hopefully.
And it's like 5 foot or something?
Yeah.
Because that's what we can afford. That's how it works.
That's the way it works.
So I gotta weld in some things across the bottom to tie the wire into, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting those out. And I'm gonna weld them together and make them longer. It's like 100 and something out here.
Mm-hmm. It's very hot.
That's why I got a box fan out here. So yeah. But I mean, I really, in case something bad happens, I don't want you to film me cutting one of those loose, because there's springs in that.
Yeah.
In case it, you know.
In case something jumps up and bites you.
Pinches my blade or something. So cut for a little while.
Okay.
That's it. I don't want anybody to see me get hurt is what I'm worried about. Hell, that worked pretty good. So I'm not cutting all the way through them. I'm cutting most of the way and I'm breaking them so this don't get in a bind.
Just in case it's under pressure?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? It works like that. I say we measure, see if 2 of those will make it through there. You know what I mean?
Just takes 2 of them over and stick them in the end.
What?
Carry them 2 over and just see if they'll reach it.
Yeah. I could stick them together with that maybe. I think. Man, it is so blame hot out here. I feel like a fish out of water. This probably ain't gonna work, right?
Probably not gonna want to.
Yeah. Yeah, because I'm one person. You know what I mean? Nope, she ain't gonna want to hold. Can you grab that? Well, hell, if you'll help me, I won't even need this. Oh, there's plenty. I could overlap them and weld them together.
Look at that.
You know what I'm saying?
Cool.
That's probably what I'll do. Instead of wasting cutting blades, I'll
Right.
probably just zap them together like overlapped. Don't that make sense?
Might as well.
Make it straighter, maybe. These ain't that flimsy. That's good.
Alright, back to the fun part.
Yeah.
Sticking it together.
If you want to call it that.
What are you using today?
What do you mean? This is penguin.
That's what that picture looks like.
Yeah, flux stuff. It's I don't know, help me. What should I say? It's good stuff.
It's Flux Core.
And it's
Right.
cheap. It's like, what do we pay for that?
Not an arm and a leg.
Most stuff you do though. Especially if you get it shipped to your house.
We like it. It's the second time we bought from them.
It's the 3rd spool.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And because normally I use.
It's what's in the welder right now, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it works. I complained a couple times, but it was my tips that were messed up. I was blaming it on the wire, but it wasn't. The wire's good.
And your ground sometimes was fighting, huh?
But yeah, link in the description.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to put the link in the description for it.
Yeah. So, there you go.
And we're going to show you it in action now.
Oh, man, don't say that. You got a guy don't know how to weld, fixing the weld.
Well,
it's 100. You see how quick I'm sweating through?
It's really hot out here.
It's bad.
If I had a thermometer I could shine, I would. And show it's almost 100 out here.
I feel sorry for the animals and everything.
Yeah.
I can't see what I'm doing because of these dang things. I don't want to weld those to my metal, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
They're just in my way. I'm gonna have to take them off. Will you please stay together? Well, it's stuck together. That's
Look
good.
at that.
You know what I mean? Now I can actually weld it. See where I missed it? Shine. You shine only the bad
You
stuff.
couldn't see it too good.
Yeah, you can drive a motorcycle, bud.
Back up, Manny. Come back here. Come on, back up. Don't be too close.
Dang it. Got too dirty right there. Brush. My brush. There you are. She's not falling off now, that's for sure. Nutty cutters. Now, I don't know. I'm sure they do, right? Make regular gas wire too. Like
Oh yeah, they make all kinds of wires.
It's a bearing company.
And they
right?
make bearings. Make a lot of parts, I guess.
Okay, I can't ever find shit when I need it.
And they're a company in Florida,
Yeah.
so they're an American company.
Well, we don't know if it's American.
It's founded in Florida. I can't find where it says it's not produced in America.
Be better if you had a guy that actually knew how to weld, though. I'd say it does really good.
Well, even for a beginner, it does good.
Yeah. Hey, at least I'm trying. I'm out here in my yard dying of a heat stroke. You know what I mean?
Yep. So if y'all like you watching it, please like, share, and subscribe, because he's out here risking a heat stroke.
Dying, man. Literally. Okay, I didn't even clean that side, so great. Now, pretend I got glasses on.
Right.
I ain't gonna do that. How much shit can you put on your head at once, right? Show them our little buddy we have.
Got a little friend again. Say hi, Manny.
So I wish my dad quit leaving town.
Say I'm Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse, even though I'm not a mouse. You can't watch the weld, Minnie.
No, it'll burn your little dog eyes out. I got that mother red now. I think I'm going to weld up the sides too, just to help it that much more. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I wish this thing would set better, but it's flat stock, so that ain't going to happen. You know what I mean? I think these won't probably help me again.
There's an elbow.
I'm just trying to make weight here, you know what I mean? Maybe it'll set better for me. Oh yeah, I didn't clean this either, so. Sounds happy. Good enough for that side. It's gotta help, right?
Yeah.
Probably not because I didn't clean it, you know what I mean?
It burns through the paint and the galvanized, whatever it is.
This, I don't know what this metal is. I mean, it's kind of heavy, whatever the hell it is. Kind of a pain in the
It's got
butt.
something coated on it.
Yeah, I think that's paint though, hopefully. I don't know, it tastes and smells like it ain't paint. Probably, I don't know what that shit's called. They cook on there, they burn it on.
Is it galvanized?
No. They put it in a room after they,
You're
like
talking
magnetized.
You're talking about the powder coating
Yeah,
stuff?
powder coat. Maybe, I don't know. Damn it, boy. Good enough. Yeah, I'm a decent spot welder. I'm not good at welding. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you ain't got to show that either. You know what
Are
I'm
you
saying?
ashamed of it?
Yes. I'm
They
always
usually look
ashamed.
pretty good.
Oh, you ain't got to show that.
It's together.
Yeah, it's not good though. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hit that again. I didn't even see that. This heat's messing with me, man. I got sweat pouring out of my helmet.
It's hot.
There, you can show that maybe. Clean it up a little bit. Still not good, still not pretty, still not anything. Just a smock ass weld, that's all that is. Well, there's number one. You know, numero uno, right?
Yep.
And I don't think she's gonna break, so there's number one. I probably shouldn't even put that down there. You think that dog would step on that?
You just scared her.
Yeah, she's a scaredy cat.
I don't know if she'd step on it or not.
Well, there's no reason to film me doing this again. Like I was doing. Alright, it's ready to apply if I can hang in there, man.
Not getting no cooler out here, is it?
No, to me it's bad, man. But,
Your shirt says it.
huh?
Your shirt says it.
For long, I'm going to
Says it.
start going like this. Nah, maybe not. Right? This stuff's a little flimsy because of the length of it.
Yeah.
But I think it'll hold wire.
Yeah. Just an attaching point.
Oh yeah, I'm not done with that. I'm gonna let it cool off. Alright, I gotta move that over here, closer to my electric. Yeah. I'm so sweaty, my helmet's literally falling down my face. Like, this part.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Here, Minnie.
You gotta remember not to burn a hole through, you know, I'm on pipe now. Never bring my brush with me. Do I though? go all the way around that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump down there if I can reach. I don't know if I can reach that far with this thing.
Nope.
No.
We're gonna have to move it.
That dog sure needs to learn to stay out of my way. You see our scaredy cat? I believe you're good there. Alright. We literally got a bird living in this house right now.
Yeah.
So I don't want to burn it down. So I gotta go really slow here. I don't even know if that even took a tag. Brush way over there, of course. Uh-oh.
Stepping on a fan, I know. It's just unplugging.
You'll be fine. You can hear how good I cleaned that.
Yeah.
I did it. So, you know. Just don't want to catch this house on fire. We got a garden hose out here, don't we?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Can't get a brush in here very good. I believe we're stuck really good. See that flimsy crap? Hope that might end up having to add something there. I hope not. Like I said, it's just holding wire.
Yeah, it's just somewhere wired meeting.
Yeah. Just somewhere where they come meet. I guess I need to do that one more time. Oh, come on. My ground, dude. I'm gonna quit before it looks like total shit. You know what I'm saying? She ugly, but she's stuck. You know what I mean? One more time. Hey, dog. Ground, check. Got shit half-ass clean, not really. Okay. Well, look at that. Did you do that? 'Cause
Yeah.
I didn't do that. Yeah, this one's getting cut off a little bit up here so I can weld it around, you know. See that actually looks okay. I mean, for, you know, spot welds 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not like it's a bead or nothing, but it'll work. I have to change to my cutoff wheel and go ahead and cut that now. I wonder if I can go ahead and reach that back there.
I bet.
Huh? Oh, I got some weld in my way over here, don't I?
Yeah.
Son of a biscuit. I'm gonna have to cut that out of there. Or we can just say we don't care and let it set like that.
I think that one's sufficient for what it is.
You think?
If it was like more important job that it set straight.
I ain't gonna argue with you. See that heat treatment. Right now I'm just trying to
Not start a fire.
melt some paint off of it.
Oh.
So, because I can't get nothing in here to clean it. So, I'm heat cleaning it. Then I can put welds on. Yeah, I wonder how many blind animals we're gonna have. I hope none of them.
I said I've been keeping an eye on this puppy, and when you're in line with those two birds in the house, I was standing between you and them so that maybe they can't see it too good.
I just hope you're doing a good job, you think.
Well, she's over there minding her own business right now. She's not as interested in the flag.
I can't tell what I'm doing. It'd been better to cut that weld out of my way. It would have given me more area to grasp penetration. You know what I mean? But you know what? I got that I'm hot and I don't care attitude.
Yeah, it's almost 100 out here, and this is the chicken coop.
Yeah, I keep, like I say, I gotta tell myself that all the time. I'm gonna build up some weld here before I have something to weld it to. You know what I mean? Well, at least I can afford to waste some of it. That's a big ass thing of weld. I don't think that's going anywhere. Do you? I got it at the top here, and I got it right there. You know what I mean? I'm confident it ain't going nowhere.
Cute.
I'm gonna cut that off, and I'm gonna get it a little better. And I'm gonna call this a wrap, because I am dying of a heat stroke, man. Yeah, I gotta fit in here. Is that all I needed?
You said you was cutting something off.
Ow. Yeah. Those handles I welded on there. They're biting me now.
Done bit you on the side.
No, you can say whatever you want.
Bit you on the ass, didn't it?
Yeah. You're kinda in the ass. Come here, grinder. I like the wire wheel. The wire wheel is a good tool. You know what?
Yeah.
Hurts like hell when it flies apart,
Yeah, and pokes
but
you in the neck.
it's a good tool. Alright. Watch your eyeballs, Minnie. You put safety glasses on? Look at that.
I'm done.
Huh?
I didn't even get zoomed in before you had it off there.
Yeah. Ugly. Good enough. So I'm checking out, okay?
Okay.
I'm hot and I'm done. Tomorrow, I guess. Are we putting wire on this thing tomorrow?
I don't know for sure. Depends on when, as soon as we can get it.
Well, we ain't even showed this thing since I built the thing, have we?
Not very good.
Well, I mean, you can show it.
Okay.
Put a window in it like I said I was going to.
Yeah.
I like it. I mean, it's
Made out of bed frames and scrap wood, lawnmower wheels,
all kinds of weird
repurposed wood and metal.
all kinds of weird crap. That metal used to be a porch. Didn't it? The white metal here used to be on the bottom of our old porch. This is a bunch of scraps, and you can tell I had to even patch it with a square here. I siliconed it and everything. Got 4 brooder boxes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Where the eggs will be. There's our 2 little best friends in the whole wide world,
Our
huh?
little occupants right now.
Yeah.
We have in P-Chick, and she's got a quail buddy keeping her company.
Chocolate chip over here. Or cookies and cream, whatever the hell you want to call it.
I've been thinking about calling her Crazy Legs.
Oh yeah, if I'm tired on this, it's fine.
You know what?
But yeah,
That
put a
P-Chick.
door on it with a latch.
I thought about calling this P-Chick Crazy Legs.
Yeah.
Get up, Crazy Legs. Let's see you walk.
She's doing a little better.
Come on.
She kind of was waited too long on. You got to catch them like really early, huh?
Yeah. For the best results. Come here, Crazy Legs.
But, I mean, I built this weird looking front on it. I don't know.
Give it an awning.
Yeah, chicken coops, man.
They'll be able to go under
Like I said, you
it.
can do anything you want to a chicken coop. They don't have to be all perfect like a house.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Tomorrow we'll get some fence on this thing, huh? Start
Hopefully.
moving around the yard, letting these birds eat some fresh grass.
Yeah. That'll be
Saving me
sweet.
some lawnmower gas.
So, if you will, subscribe.
Yeah. If you like it. Peace out.